Hey guys, what's going on? It's Kyle with HOGWORKZ. Today we're in our Michigan shop here. Happy to introduce you to our brand new performance bagger carbon fiber chopped front fender. This fender is extremely light, weighs 1 pound versus your stock fender which weighs in at 5 pounds. This is going to fit 96 all the way to current touring models. We have adapters available in chrome or black for 96 to 13 as well as 14 to current models. This is a direct bolt-on fender and installs in seconds. HOGWORKZ carbon fiber chopped front fender is made using an autoclave process with pre-preg carbon fiber fabric. This is genuine carbon fiber and again bolts on in minutes. We're going to have Alex here show you how quick and easy this is to get installed on your bagger. Let's go ahead and get into the installation.
Alright guys, we're going to get into the installation now. Some tools you're going to need is a 1/4 inch Allen, a 6 mil Allen, and a 1/2 inch wrench. First thing you want to do is take 1/4 inch Allen and remove the 4 bolts that hold on your OEM fender. Alright, after you have your 4 OEM bolts removed and your OEM fender removed, what you want to do is grab your adapters and then just go ahead and put one on each side and then push the bolt through just so that it doesn't stick past the adapter on the inside. And what this is going to do is keep everything lined up so that when you do slide the new fender on, you just slide it in, push these in to hold them in place, and you can easily tighten the nuts on the back side. Alright, now that you have your adapters in place, go ahead and grab your fender. Get it into place here. And push your bolts through so they're sticking through on the inside, and that'll kind of hold it while you get your nut and your wrench. And once you got all 4 of them snug down, just go back over them and tighten them all the way down.